Happy birthday, Terence! Parents. Okay. So, say hi to your mommy first. Hi, mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Once again, hi, mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Alright. So, 1, 2, 3, and go.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay. You sing happy birthday, Terence. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, parents.
Okay. You have to greet Terence yung mahabang greetings, okay? Happy birthday, Terence! Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, parents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, 8 points. How about si Mix? Kailangan mahabang greetings for Terence. Alright, Mix? Say hi to your mommy first.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Okay. Mix, say ano muna? Say hi, mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, fans.
Hi, Dad.
Okay. So, ready? You say happy birthday, Terence. Okay. Mahaba mahabang minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, parents.
Mahabaan mo yung greetings. So, sasabihin mo, happy birthday, Terence. Hanggang magkulay violet ka, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, parents.
Okay, 5 points. So, baba na si Miss. Ako si Chinchin. Tayo ka dyan, Chinchin. Tayo ka, stand up.
Nako, wala na.
Alright.
Papanalo si ano.
Chinchin, halika dito, Chinchin. Yun say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sabi mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na, happy birthday.
Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sabi mo. Wala na.
Okay. So, dahil dyan, ang winner natin, si Elijah. Palakpakan mo natin si Elijah. Alright. So, kids, upo na tayo. And in a few minutes, we will serve the delectable foods of Max's restaurant. So, thank you very much.